Hey, awesome admins. Did you know that if you have both Tableau and Salesforce, that you can easily connect them? Let's take a look and show you how you can connect them and get more out of your analytics. Welcome to the Tableau homepage. On the far right, I want to point out that there are resources, training videos, all sorts of things to help you on your Tableau journey. To connect to Salesforce, you just locate it on the left-hand side, and using your Salesforce login and password, you connect the data. Anyone within your organization that has both Tableau and Salesforce can make this connection. And the great thing is there's nothing extra that the admin needs to do. Once you make the connection, it'll take you to the screen where you determine which tables of data that you want to pull in, because you're not going to pull in everything depending on your specific business needs, right? So from here, if you want to explore the standard connections, on the left-hand side, you have accounts and contacts, all the typical objects that you're used to seeing in Salesforce. All you need to do is select one, drag it over, and it'll start to pull the data in from the server. It takes just a few seconds. And you can scroll through and see the different fields that are available. So the majority of all of your fields that you see in Salesforce should be available here as well. From the bottom left, select Go to Worksheet, and this is where you will go to start to build your first visualization. For us today, let's build a simple one. From the left-hand side, you'll see all the tables that you pulled in related to your opportunity object. You can either scroll through and search for them, or you can type in the name in the box and pull them in. I want to pull in the full name of the opportunity owner because I want to see what their pipeline looks like. So I'm going to pull in amount as well because I'm going to see what they have in open pipeline. And just like you would in Salesforce, you can also filter the information, and I only want to see open. So from the filters pane, I'm going to drag it over and I'm going to select all the open stages for our org. Right in the middle of the sheet, you'll see that it automatically recommends a visualization. And right here, we can definitely see that Ada is our top performer in terms of building pipeline. But I want to bump it out and show it even more. So you can use some of the recommended visualizations. And I love these packed bubbles because I'm putting this into a presentation. And it really shows that Ada is excelling at building her pipeline and drives home the point that I want to make. Thank you, awesome admins, for joining me as we connected Salesforce with Tableau. Be sure to spend some time playing around with the analytics and seeing what interesting insights you can come up with for your organization. Thank you.